Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you the clothing that I decided to rent from Nuuly for this month. I have my box right here, or my little package with everything. I have 7 pieces to share with you this month because I ended up getting a piece that was damaged in my past Nuuly. I reached out to customer service to let them know that it was damaged, and then they gave me a bonus item for this month. But if you're not familiar with Nuuly, it's a clothing rental program. They allow you to rent 6 pieces of clothing each month for $88. I have a $20 offer for a link down in my description box. That will get you $20 off your first month if you are interested in trying it out. I'm also going to leave my playlist linked above because that will just give you a better idea as to what Nuuly is. I've done lots of reviews on Nuuly and I personally love it. I feel it's a good fit for my lifestyle. Once your rental period, which is typically a month, is over, you send the pieces back and then select the ones that you want for the next month. But you can also purchase stuff at a discount. Most of the time I've gotten really good discounts on the pieces that I've rented, so there have been a couple times when I've actually purchased some of my rentals, but there's been a couple where I've been like, could have been better. That is the overall idea of what Nuuly is. Definitely check out more of my reviews if you want a more in-depth, or visit their website. I'll leave their website link down below in my description box as well. Before I jump right into this Nuuly review and share with you what I decided to rent, if you are new here to my channel, I do have new videos up Monday and Friday. Everything is going to be romantic fashion, styling videos, little bit of lifestyle thrown in here and there, but mostly romantic fashion. If you enjoy and you want to see more of this type of content from me, don't forget to subscribe and then click that little notification bell as well. That will just remind you what time my video is up for you, Monday and Friday. I am going to start going through the pieces that I rented. This first one is from For Love and Lemons. I love the bright colors with it. Oh, I got it brand new too. I love it when that happens. Usually when I get these rentals, most of the time they're worn pretty well, but every now and then I will get one that is brand new, and it makes me excited because they're usually at a pretty good discount. I love the button-up cardigans right now, especially the cropped ones. This one is in a really pretty mint green color. You have the cream style throughout it, and then just like that thick knitting. Feels really nice. I really like For Love and Lemons material. I feel like they are top quality. It looks like it'll be a perfect fit. I did get it in a size large. It's not too heavy. It's definitely something that I could use to layer up if we're having a rainy day like we are today. I just noticed this. It has a little scalloped hem or whatever at the bottom of the cardigan. It's so cute. I love stuff like this, especially with the big buttons. But I'm gonna go try it on, show you what it looks like styled, close-ups of it, and then I'll just continue moving on. This dress caught my eye. It is a mini dress and it's from Free People. The neckline is what caught my eye with this one. It has that gorgeous, just dramatic, it's going to be kind of like on the edge of my shoulder, but then it has a little bow on the sleeve, and that just was it for me. I had to try it. I like oversized silhouettes right now and styles, but the fabric feels really nice. It has a layer underneath it. I got this dress in a size large, so I think it'll be a good fit, especially lengthwise. I'm hoping it'll be okay on the top. Usually I would need to go for a medium on the top, but I could always make it into an off-the-shoulder style if it comes down to it, but I do think that I'll be able to get a really nice neckline with this. It's in that swing dress, baby doll style. Also, got this one brand new. I think the length is going to be perfect on this too, and look at that pattern. It is so pretty. But I'm going to go see what this looks like on and continue moving on. When it comes to spring and summer, I want loose pants. Usually I go for more of the shorts, but look at these little patches on it. I don't know, I'm really into patches right now. I'm not sure why, but I just think it's a really cute look. These are from Pilcrow. They are a size 31, and I think these are going to be a perfect fit. In fact, if they are, I might buy them because these are so cute and they're different. Like, I like different stuff like this. Quality and style of these kind of remind me of driftwood jeans, which I love driftwood jeans. Definitely higher up there in the quality. I'm gonna go see if these fit. I have to do a dress next. This one, I have never tried this brand before, but I have been wanting to. Anika Chew. It's in a size 2, which is actually the medium and large. The material on this is so heavy. It's a midi dress. It makes me think of a picnic dress or something. This is going to be such a big poofy dress. I'm all about it. But it has that checkered style that for some reason I am really into right now. Also embroidery on it, which brings in a little bit more of that vintage feel. I love it. And the material, I mean, this thing is heavy. There is elastic around the top. I think it's going to be in a midi dress, so I'm going to go try this on. This next one, this is going to be so much fun. The material of this is so different. I don't think I have ever tried material like this. It's like that shiny threading, but it's extremely soft. Almost like faux fur, but a shiny version of it. I don't know. But these are a pair of shorts. Shiny gold shorts. I really liked the look of them, and I got them in a size, I believe a size 12, yes, US 12, and they're from Urban Outfitters. I thought these were so different. I loved them. I really like statement pieces like this because it's very easy to make them more casual, just with like a white t-shirt, cardigan, whatever. And then you can also turn around and make them very girly or dressy or anything, like really. Just stuff like this, you can have so many things you can do with them. I love it, but the material is very different. It does have a really soft layer underneath it too. I'm really glad that I sized up to 12 because I think these are going to be a really nice fit. As far as getting into them, it does have a little zipper in the back. I wish it had elastic, but oh well. This is a black top. I loved how it had this scoop in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it has this like dramatic low back, which I just find so romantic. I love pieces like that, and they're actually kind of difficult to find, having that low designer back like that. This is a really nice like spongy material. Really like it. It is in that puff sleeve. It's really pretty. It kind of reminded me of a Love Shack fancy top, but this one I felt like was much more reasonable, so I wanted to give it a try. But I did get this in a size large, and I just felt like it was a really pretty piece. And as far as getting into it, it does have a zipper in the back, and especially since it's in that black color, I have so many outfit combination and possibilities with this top. The last item that I'm renting from Nuuly is this white blouse. I've had this pinned in my closet, or like in my little closet in the Nuuly section, for a long time. This is beautiful. It's from a brand called, ooh, I got it brand new. It is from the brand Forever That Girl. I love that name. But I did get it in a size large, and this is just like a very dainty eyelet embroidered blouse. The whole style of the blouse has that Swiss dot pattern to it. Okay, I feel like this blouse is not very well represented on their website. This is so much more beautiful in person. As soon as I finish filming this video, I'm gonna go look at this brand, Forever That Girl. This looks like something I would be very interested in. But anyway, oh, I did want to say that it does have the tie around the waist, button-up style, and I did get it in a size large. I mean, I think it'll be a perfect fit. It will be a little bit oversized, but I don't mind that. That is everything from my Nuuly for this month. Everything that I'm renting this month, I'm very impressed with the quality. I am very happy. And I will let you know if I do decide to keep any of them. I'll probably let you know in the next month when I show you my next Nuuly. But yeah, for now, I'm going to wear them, see if I fall in love with any of the pieces, and keep you updated. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know which piece was your favorite, if you're going to try Nuuly out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.